Mastering the third conditional. Transform your written English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the third conditional in English, a grammar point that's not only essential, but can also make your written English more sophisticated and precise. The third conditional, often used to express regret or hypothetical scenarios in the past, can be a little tricky. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be creating third conditional sentences like a pro. The third conditional is used to talk about events in the past that did not happen, and their hypothetical results. To form a third conditional sentence, we usually use if plus past perfect tense, and then would have plus past participle. For example, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. The event, studying harder, did not happen, and so the result, passing the exam, is also imaginary. In written English, the third conditional helps to make your writing more expressive and nuanced. This tense is great for expressing regret, analyzing past decisions, or creating hypothetical scenarios. For example, in a reflective essay, you could write, "If I had chosen a different path, my life would have been completely different." Let's look at some practice exercises. Write down your own examples of third conditional sentences, and see how you can use them to express regret or analyze past decisions. Practice makes perfect, so don't forget to keep writing and revising your sentences. The main difficulty with the third conditional is remembering to use the correct tense, past perfect after if, and would have plus past participle in the result clause. A common mistake is to mix up the tenses, but with practice, you'll be able to use the third conditional confidently and correctly. That's it for our lesson on the third conditional in written English. By now, you should have a strong understanding of how to form and use the third conditional. Remember, practice is key. Keep writing, and soon, you'll be using the third conditional naturally in your written English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.